Hi, my name is Adam, and I want to show you what AmoCRM is and how it works. AmoCRM is an online service that helps increase sales and convert more potential customers into buyers. Here, everything revolves around the sales pipeline and a potential customer, or a lead. Our goal is not to forget about anyone, to record every customer and constantly lead them through all the sales stages of the pipeline up to the sale, which is why the pipeline is the main screen of the entire system. It appears as soon as you start using AmoCRM. So we have a potential customer, and therefore a lead appears with a name and contact details and an approximate sales value. The sales process is presented in the form of columns, stages. The lead must pass successively through these stages from the initial contact to a successful sale. These stages form the sales pipeline. Here, each lead has a card, and all the system information is here. What status the lead's in, who is the responsible manager, and the customer's contact details. You can also move everything around. In the center of the card is the events feed, the history of all events and changes in this lead. Everything that happens to the lead is noted here. The sales rep can leave comments and attach files during the negotiation. Our goal is to increase sales, so we can't just add a lead and do nothing. We need to move it forward and remind ourselves to call the customer back. Therefore, it's important that for each lead, there's a scheduled action, a task. If there isn't a task, no one is doing anything with the lead. AmoCRM closely monitors this. At the top of the events feed, there's information about upcoming activity, and if there isn't a task, the system indicates this. In AmoCRM, it's very simple to set a task for a lead. We specify when and what should be done, and by who. Once a task is set, it is displayed at the top of the card. A set task means that when the specified time comes, the user will receive a notification in their account and by email. So we go to the corresponding lead card, enter the result, mark the task as done, and immediately set up a new task. If you have already accumulated a client database in Excel, for example, you can import the data. Just click More, select Import, choose the file, and the system will figure out how to import your data. All the additional fields will be created automatically, and no matter how much data you have in the system, it's always easy to find a lead with the help of the search or filter function, which work together. Moreover, customized filters can be saved here. It's really important to save all incoming requests and not to miss any potential customers. So AmoCRM is able to automatically create leads from incoming emails, website inquiries, calls, and even messages from social network. For example, email. You can connect any email account to AmoCRM. Just enter the username and password to access the mailbox, and that's it. Now, every incoming email will automatically create a task. So let's look. Here's our mailbox, and I've just received an email from a potential client. This means that on the AmoCRM side, a task is automatically created, which I can turn into a lead. Moreover, this lead will have all the information about the client, which was attached to their email. Even their telephone number from their email signature is added to the card automatically. So all potential customers are added to the system, and it's time to bring them to purchase. For the customer to make a purchase, the deal needs to go through several stages, through the sales pipeline. Our task, on the one hand, is to register the movement of the lead to the next stage, and on the other hand, it's to motivate the client through the pipeline in every way possible. And normally, we expect our sales reps to do things themselves, such as call the client back or send emails, but what can be done automatically? And here, AmoCRM offers a unique function that will take your sales to the next level. It's called the digital pipeline. The main idea is that AmoCRM is able to complete a variety of automatic actions at different stages to help promote the lead forward and bring it to sale. So first, let's immediately subscribe everyone who contacted our company to the mailing list, as this is our target audience with who we need to build a relationship, regardless if they'll make a purchase or not. And at the first stage, it's especially important not to forget about the lead. So if it stays here for more than 10 days, we'll automatically give the manager a task to call the customer back and arrange a demo. So we made a presentation, and now is an excellent time to automatically send an email on behalf of the manager with a link to your website and a list of all the company's highlights. And we have other ways of communicating with customers. For example, through social networks, we can show your ads to a specific person if we know their contact details. And AmoCRM can display personalized ads to anyone who is at a certain stage. If the client liked the presentation, looked for more information online, and visited your website, we automatically move the lead one step forward and give the sales rep a task to get in touch with the client. So after the client sees the demonstration, they immediately receive an email and begin to see your ads on social networks. If they click the link and go to your site, the sales rep will call them. This call will be surprisingly well-timed and effective. And this exactly is how AmoCRM itself pushes leads through the pipeline. Of course, it's important for the manager to keep track of sales and keep their finger on the pulse. For this, there's a remarkable AmoCRM desktop with all the main figures for the company, from general reports on leads and goals to sales forecasts that show for what amount leads are likely to close. And you can even customize your desktop by yourself, swap, remove, or even add your own widgets. Furthermore, there's an extensive set of reports, including reports on the efficiency of staff and a summary report on the overall state of leads, which is really useful for the manager. So it's worth mentioning here about access. You can set a specific level of access for different groups of sales reps or for each employee individually. And there's also some more subtle security settings. For example, you can make your AmoCRM available only from certain IP addresses, such as your office. AmoCRM is also integrated with many other systems. It has an open API, which allows developers to create any kind of integration and work with data from AmoCRM as they see fit. So I've shown you some exciting features of AmoCRM, but the system is able to do so much more. Watch our videos, contact our support team and our partners, and we'll be more than happy to help you on your way to increase sales.